This is the War Brief Daily for May 4, 2026, covering the Russia-Ukraine theater. Tonight we're tracking 4 confirmed developments: Russian drone strikes killing civilians across southern Ukraine, Ukrainian naval drones delivering back-to-back blows to Russia's shadow oil fleet, a confirmed Russian ground advance in eastern Donetsk Oblast, and Ukraine's sustained deep strike campaign targeting Crimean military infrastructure. Here's the operational picture. First, Russian strikes on Ukraine. Russian forces conducted drone attacks across Odesa and Kherson Oblasts in the last 24 hours, killing 4 people. That is confirmed by regional officials. One day earlier, 2 additional civilians were killed in Kherson in a separate strike. No major missile salvo was recorded in this cycle. The pattern is drone-centric harassment, sustained daily pressure designed to attrit civilians and infrastructure across southern Ukraine. Second, and this is the most operationally significant development in this cycle, Ukraine's naval drone campaign against Russian oil infrastructure. On May 3rd, Ukrainian Navy and Security Service forces struck 2 Russian Shadow Fleet tankers at Novorossiysk port. President Zelensky released thermal imaging footage confirming direct impact on a tanker stern. This is the second Ukrainian strike on Novorossiysk in 5 days. Ukraine is now physically enforcing what defense analysts are calling kinetic sanctions, striking the Shadow Fleet vessels that finance Russia's war, vessel by vessel, across a target list of approximately 700 ships. Also confirmed, Ukraine struck Russia's Primorsk oil export terminal on the Baltic Sea. Primorsk handles an estimated 1 million barrels per day, Russia's largest Baltic export hub. Ukrainian Lyuty variant strike drones damaged a loading pier, a tanker, a patrol boat, and a Karakurt-class corvette. That corvette is critical. It carries Caliber cruise missiles, the same weapons used in mass strikes on Ukrainian cities. NASA firm's satellite imagery confirmed fires at the terminal. Russian officials claimed over 60 drone intercepts in Leningrad Oblast. Third, the Eastern Front. ISW's May 2 assessment, supported by geolocated footage, confirms Russian forces now hold Novoserhivka in Pokrovsk Rayon, a tactical gain reflecting continued Russian pressure in the Donetsk direction following the fall of Pokrovsk city in late February. Separately, the Russian Ministry of Defense claimed Myropilya in Sumy Oblast. That claim is not yet geolocated, treated as emerging, not confirmed. Fourth, Ukraine struck Iskander ballistic missile systems near Druzhne, Crimea, alongside UAV control points, repair facilities, and radar stations across the peninsula, confirmed by Ukrainian General Staff reporting. Neutralizing Iskander launchers directly reduces Russia's ballistic strike capacity against southern Ukraine. Here's what to watch over the next cycle. Monitor for Russian retaliation following the Novorossiysk strike. Watch for satellite confirmation of damage to the Karakurt corvette at Primorsk. Track ISW and Deep State for geolocation or denial of the Myropilya claim in Sumy. And watch whether Russia's advance in Pokrovsk Rayon pushes further toward Kostiantynivka. That's your War Brief Daily for May 4, 2026.